How to create coupons in Klaviyo tutorial. To get started with creating coupons in Klaviyo, first log into your Klaviyo account and navigate to the Campaigns tab. From there, click on the Create Campaign button and select the email template. Choose a template that suits your needs and customize it as desired. Next, click on the Add Content block and select the Coupon block. This will allow you to create a new coupon or use an existing one. If you choose to create a new coupon, you will be prompted to fill in the details, including the coupon code, discount amount, and expiration date. In the coupon settings, you can customize the redemption rules, such as the minimum purchase amount and the products that are eligible for the discount. You can also set the coupon to be single use or allow it to be used multiple times. Once you have created the coupon, you can add it to your email template by dragging and dropping the coupon block into the desired location. You can then customize the appearance of the coupon by changing the font, color, and layout to make the coupon more effective. Consider adding a sense of urgency by including a limited time offer or a scarcity message. You can also use personalization tags to make the coupon more relevant to the recipient. Best practices for creating coupons in Klaviyo include keeping the code simple and easy to remember, setting a clear expiration date, and testing the coupon before sending it to your subscribers. Additionally, consider segmenting your audience to ensure that the coupon is sent to the most relevant group of people. By following these steps and best practices, you can create effective coupons in Klaviyo that drive sales and increase customer engagement. With Klaviyo's easy-to-use interface and customizable templates, you can create coupons that match your brand and resonate with your audience.